Hello and welcome to Tribe Topper. I'm Sonal Gupta, and this channel is about increasing your understanding of physics. To clear your concepts, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for latest updated videos. In this video session, you are going to learn about the gravitational field. So, what do we mean by a gravitational field? See, if we say we have a mass m, like you can see here, there is a mass m lying here. If we bring any other mass in the vicinity of this mass, that mass would experience some force of attraction due to this mass. Let's say this is capital M and this is small m. Then it is not that it will experience that force to a far off distance, but as you bring it closer and it enters this region of space, it experiences a strong force of attraction. So all this space around this mass m is known as the gravitational field. So therefore we define what is gravitational field. We define it as the region of space around a mass within which its influence can be experienced by other masses. That is called gravitational influence. Can be a region of space around the mass where its influence can be experienced. So that is the gravitational field. So it's just a space around a mass. Now what about the strength of this gravitational field? See, how can we determine the strength of a field, or if you're talking of gravitational field here, that would depend on how strongly it attracts this mass. That means what is the force that is exerted by, or the force that is experienced by this mass small m. So strength of the gravitational field is known as the force experienced per unit mass. So that is given as force. Now force between m and m is what? As per Newton's law of gravitation, it's g m m by r square, and this whole thing divided by small m. So force is gmm by r square per unit mass m, and this m and m would cancel out, so you get gm by r square. And you've also learned that if we talk in terms of gravity, the acceleration due to gravity, the small g, so gm by r square is also equal to g. You get that from here also, or the force experienced per unit mass. The force experienced by unit mass is its weight mg over m. So that also gives you g. So small g represents the gravitational field strength. And what would be the unit of this gravitational field strength? That would be force per mass, so means Newton per kilogram. So the gravitational field strength is generally denoted by G. So we can write G as 9.8 meter per second square, as well as it is equal to Newton, 9.8 Newton per kilogram. So that is how we determine the strength of the gravitational field. So that's all for this video session. You learned about the gravitational field and the strength of the gravitational field. In our next video session, you're going to learn about the gravitational potential energy. Thank you.